babies, it's your girl Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your mama and them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, y'all got me a nice little something, just a little, I don't know. I seen it, I liked it, I wanted it, I said why not. And I rarely see videos about this particular bag, if this is the bag that I think it is. So it's pretty big. I hope you guys can see it, because I'm trying to do an overview. There we go. Lately, me and Chanel has been doing good, because I've been purchasing Chanel bags. Why? I don't know. I don't know. Am I becoming a Chanel girl? No. I love all bags. So, yes. I like this duster bag. It's giving me very simple, but still giving me durable. Like, it's made out of durable material. Giving me real cotton. Y'all, I had to get this. This is the jumbo black denim flap, and I thought it was cute. I said, oh, this big body pants needs this accessory for real. And it is made out of the denim material. They had this color, and then they had the blue jean one. This one was a little pricey. This one was about like $92. Ugh. Yeah, y'all know usually I don't go over like 60 bucks, but I really wanted this. I found a vendor that had very, credible, well, I can't even say credible because I don't even know the people, but that had, a credible rating and also, good reviews. So I decided to get this because I found a cheaper one, but people were saying like, oh no, don't go here. Now my eyes is itching. Allergies. But yeah, they were saying, oh no, don't buy from this seller. So I went with one that was a little bit more pricey, but I knew that I would be able to get, bang for my buck. Because if you're paying that much, nah, I needed to do what it do. So yes. And I thought this was very cute. I like how big it is. It's jumbo, definitely good for like a good summer bag. You can carry a lot in this, and when I see people in the pictures, I'm like, okay, you can dress it up, dress it down, make it real casual. And it was just giving me real fashion. And I ain't even into fashion. So y'all know I don't have to wear some cute little tennis shoes with this, because y'all know I don't wear heels. I'm not a heels girl. Y'all know. If you know, you know. Your girl is pigeon-toed and knock-kneaded. With the MS attached to it, which makes me be waddling and running into stuff like a baby deer. So yeah, I don't wear heels, but I'm definitely gonna, I'm not gonna buy a shoe. I have like cute tennis shoes. So I'm just wear this with the, well, I feel like I'm just like not pulling anything. Wear this with a nice sneaker, a legging, graphic tee. That's what it's giving me, because it's cute. Like, it's not like the regular, double flap with the leather or the lambskin. It's not giving me that. That's like, well, it looks dressy, but you can dress those down too. But this is giving me more, okay, casual, Let me run errands in this. I don't, have to worry about this and that. And I got the black material because it's just like, if anything get on here, it's probably easier to wipe off and be unnoticeable. And then, y'all, I was brought up, my mom always told me, black goes with everything. Black goes with everything. So it's just like to have a nice denim black purse. And yes. And I see y'all went up for that, that denim Chanel bag. I see one of the family members had it on a Instagram. I said, yes, honey, get the bag. That's what I'm talking about. Like, there's nothing wrong with a denim bag. Like, denim, y'all, denim never left. It never left. Like, denim always been here to stay. Whether it's denim jeans, hats, shirts, dresses, shorts, denim is here to stay. I'm even seeing people wear the denim tuxedos when that's when you got denim from head to toe. Like, denim is in. When I think about the denim tuxedo is when, what was that, Justin Timberlake and Britney Spears when they wear an item. And she had on that denim dress and he had on that denim, what was it, like pants, jacket, hat, or one of them had on a hat. Either or, yeah, I'm showing my age. Showing my age. Y'all, so on the inside, you could tell, like, huge. Huge. It says Chanel right here, made in Italy. And it's like on a little button thing. Yeah, on like a little button. This pocket, huge. Like, y'all, this is huge. If you're into big bags, like, how can I compare this? Let me try to, like, this is a paper towel. This is your standardized paper towel. Like, this is a whole paper towel and then some. So it's wide. Like, it's just not an illusion or the angle. Y'all, this is a big bag. Even got Chanel right there. This is silver hardware. So this is definitely different for me because, you know, usually I wear bags with gold hardware, but I don't mind it. Like, y'all, this is so pretty. So pretty. I'm happy I purchased it. Y'all. I even got the shoulder strap. Now this is like a, it's not black, it's like a dark gray, gunmetal gray. Yeah, it's a dark gray. Yes, honey, yes, I'm loving this, loving it. And if you're like not top heavy, you could probably wear this as a crossbody. Or if not, you know, just wear it regularly like this. But, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, I was waiting for this bag. I'm like, if don't nothing else get through, I just want this bag to come through. Because y'all know how they be checking stuff. Like, this is for my personal use only. But, yes, y'all, yes, this is from the Gates. Was a little pricey, but they do have, because what I did, I paid for, this was Zip. What is that? Zip is like another Klarna, Afterpay, PayPal. So yes, I paid for this because I was just like, ooh, that's a little steep. Because I did purchase a few other items with it, and I was just like, oh, that's a little steep. So, you know, did I need the bag? No. Did I want the bag? Yeah. So I did Zip, and basically you make the 4 installment payment plans and stuff like that. Ain't no check mark game. I'll let y'all know for real. But yeah, so y'all, even if it's probably a little too pricey for you, you better use one of them 4 for 4 plans and do what it do. But yes, they have it in this color and a dark denim. Dark denim, kind of like that dark denim Chanel bowling bag. But was it a little darker? I think it may have been like a little darker, but yes, those were the only 2 colors I seen it in. But when I did my research, it actually come in this, a dark denim that's like blue, and then it comes in like a darker blue, but like a teal color, type of greenish color denim, and then like a purple one, and I think like a reddish pink or something like that. Couldn't find those, but you know, if I could have found the purple one, I would have got the purple. But I got this black one because I feel like it's cute. You know, it's cute. It's always good to have like a denim bag, black bag. But y'all, I'm rambling because I'm excited. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.